Hello and welcome to learningmdx.com. In this video, we will see how to restore an analysis service backup. So let's launch our Management Studio. So here we have our Management Studio. I already have a backup restored, but let's go ahead and restore another one. So the first thing we need to do is identify what is the location of our backup folder. Simpler way is in the Management Studio on your Analysis Service server, you right click, go to Properties, and you have the General tab here. So within this, you'll find this property backup directory, and the current value states where you have your, the current value basically states the location of your backup directory. So I'll go ahead and open my backup directory. I already have a backup file in there, and what I'll do is I'll just restore it. So for that, what we can do is we right click a database and click restore, browse. Now we see the file here, we click OK. So if we leave this restore database name empty, it will restore it with the default name. However, we don't want to overwrite our backup, so we'll give it a name. So let's say AdventureWorks. Since this is the sample database for AdventureWorks, Microsoft has not encrypted it with any password. However, had it been encrypted with a password, you would be required to put that password here, otherwise it won't restore. So let's go ahead and click OK. So there we have it. Now let's click refresh on our database tab, and there you go. So we have successfully restored an analysis service database backup.